So this is what we call the open flower and butterfly design. It's kind of a little bit of a side-on profile there of the butterfly. And we use this design for our intermediate face-to-face workshops. So I'll zoom in a little bit closer with the camera face down so you can have a little bit of a closer look at all the stitches and things going on.
So I've zoomed in a little here and kept it still so I can talk a little bit more about what's going on in the different elements of this embroidery. So this is one of the designs that we use for the intermediate face-to-face workshops when we're teaching crewelwork. We've got the 5 essential stitches again, just to kind of consolidate working those. So here is some stem stitch, we've got lots of French knots here. There's chain stitch around here. There's a little bit of long and short soft shading, graduating the colours up around here. There's a little back stitch here. And then we've taken everything to another level. We've got some lazy daisy chain stitch here on the details around the inside petals of the flower. We've got some lovely trellis going on here, some closed fly and graduating the colours in the closed fly there. There's some raised satin stitch up here. Lots of different things worked in slightly different ways, just so that you can A, consolidate skills, and B, bring in some new stitches.